Hello friends. So today we'll be discussing and going through some most important previous year question for the Aims CRE that occurred in previous year. So the first question, Thomas test is performed for what purpose? So it is for hip flexion deformity checking. We can perform the Thomas test. Next question, which type of method of HWD application is given for pelvic inflammatory disorders or disease? Short wave diathermy, that is crossfire method. This question, the most frequently asked question is HWD frequency. So it is 12.27 megahertz. And the next question, smallest intensity of current is Rehoboth. Okay. And Clonus found in hypertonicity. We'll also move on to the second part. Second part question. First one is Babinski sign. We can found Babinski sign in upper motor neuron lesion such as stroke. Then autonomic dysreflexia occurs at for the spinal cord injury. The injury at the spinal level is that is above T6. Then next question, the peroneal nerve testing, which is peroneal nerve testing for what? It is plantar flexion and inversion. This position we can check the peroneal nerve testing. So basically it is a position of patient. The next question, spirometry does not measure residual volume, correct? And bamboo spine seen in ankylosing spondylosis. So that's all for today. We will post regular basis regarding this MCRE question paper examination.